Random string generation with uppercase letters and digits. How do I generate a string of size n, made of numbers and uppercase English letters such as 6U1S75, 4Z4UP, U911K4?
Answer in one line. Or even shorter, starting with Python 3.6 using random.choices. A cryptographically more secure version, see this post. In details, with a clean function for further reuse. How does it work? We import string, a module that contains sequences of common ASCII characters, and random, a module that deals with random generation. String.ASCII_uppercase plus string.digits just concatenates the list of characters representing uppercase ASCII chars and digits. Then we use a list comprehension to create a list of an elements. In the example above, we use to create the list, but we don't in the id_generator function, so Python doesn't create the list in memory, but generates the elements on the fly, one by one. More about this here. Instead of asking to create n times the string elementary, we will ask Python to create n times a random character, picked from a sequence of characters. Therefore random.choice chars for underscore in range size really is creating a sequence of size characters. Characters that are randomly picked from chars. Then we just join them with an empty string so the sequence becomes a string.
This Stack Overflow question is the current top Google result for random string Python. The current top answer is: this is an excellent method, but the PRNG in random is not cryptographically secure. I assume many people researching this question will want to generate random strings for encryption or passwords. You can do this securely by making a small change in the above code. Using random.systemrandom instead of just random uses /dev/urandom on Nix machines and cryptsham_random in Windows. These are cryptographically secure PRNGs. Using random.choice instead of random.systemrandom.choice in an application that requires a secure PRNG could be potentially devastating, and given the popularity of this question, I bet that mistake has been made many times already. If you're using Python 3.6 or above, you can use the new secrets module as mentioned in Zephyrt's answer. The module docs also discuss convenient ways to generate secure tokens and best practices.
Simply use Python's built-in UUID. If UUIDs are okay for your purposes, use the built-in UUID package. One-line solution. Import UUID, uuid.uuid4.hex.upper, 0 column 6. In-depth version. Example. If you need exactly your format, for example, 6U1S75, you can do it like this.
A simpler, faster but slightly less random way is to use random.sample instead of choosing each letter separately. If n repetitions are allowed, enlarge your random basis by n times, for example. Note: random.sample prevents character reuse. Multiplying the size of the character set makes multiple repetitions possible, but they are still less likely than they are in a pure random choice. If we go for a string of length 6, and we pick x as the first character, in the choice example, the odds of getting x for the second character are the same as the odds of getting x as the first character. In the random.sample implementation, the odds of getting x as any subsequent character are only 6/7 the chance of getting it as the first character.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.